Good morning, children. I hope you all would be fine. So, today we are going to do the Let's Write part of the poem Noses. So, children, the very first question is: do you know a fish breathe from its gills? So, write two sentences about other animals which can breathe underwater. So, you know about gills? Gills gills is the respiratory organ of fish by which oxygen is extracted from water. So, children, you have to write two sentences about other animals which can breathe underwater. So, children, the answer is frogs and toads can breathe underwater. Both are called amphibians. Children, to know about toads, toads a kind of frog that has a rough skin and lives both on land and in water. And you know about amphibians? Children, amphibians means animals that can live both on land and in water. So children, frogs and frogs and toads can breathe underwater and both are called amphibians. You may write more lines on this topic by yourself. Next question is punctuate the following passages. So, children, there is a passage given for you all, and you can read it, but you'd not get any sense through this passage. So, children, you have to punctuate this passage. The meaning of punctuation. It means you have to add punctuation marks. So, children, you have to add full stops, commas, question marks, and other punctuation marks. So, children, what written? Mother, father, Neelam said, I have got fire engine, I have got a fire engine. What's this? What's this? Called mother, somewhat confused by the noise. I've got fire engine, mother came and see it. So, children, you not get any sense, you not understood until you punctuate it. So, firstly, we have to punctuate it. And the passage will be mother, father, Neelam said, I have got a fire engine. I've got a fire engine. What's this? What's this? Called mother, somewhat confused by the noise. I've got a fire engine, mother. Come and see it. So, children, you may see in the passage that I have add inverted commas and punctuation marks also, children, exclamatory marks, and this way this passage has got a meaning, a sense. Next question, children. So, using a red pencil, choose and circle the things whose smell you like. Now, with a blue pencil, circle the things whose smell you do not like. Make 5 sentences like this. So, children, what you can do, some of them. So, children, you may see on page number 22 of your book, the list given is petrol, rose, scent, chocolate, chips, shampoo, rotten fruit, champa, dirty shoes, soap, agarbatti, marigold, paint, garbage, coffee, and elaichi. So, children, you have to use these words and you have to make 5 sentences out of this, and you have to write likes and dislikes. So, the first sentence is as I think. You may write by your own. You may follow the pattern, and you may write by your own. What I think I have written in it. So, first sentence, I do not like the smell of paint because it reminds me of petrol. Second sentence is, I do not like the smell of dirty shoes because it reminds me of rotten fruits. Next sentence, I like the smell of shampoo because it reminds me of marigold. You know the smell of marigold? It reminds us of shampoo also, children. Next sentence, I like the smell of champa because it reminds me of agarbatti. You know agarbatti? So, children, agarbatti are of many fragrance, and champa, you know one of it. So, the smell of champa sometimes recalls and reminds us of agarbatti. Last sentence, I like the smell of chocolate because it reminds me of coffee. Do you like coffee, children? Okay. So, children, I hope you all have understood. Now, we move to next topic. Let's think what is it? And in it, what we have to do? We have to write three pairs of words that rhyme with each other. You know rhyming words which have same ending sound. So, children, in this poem, you may write the pairs by yourself. So, the first pair is nose goes, nose goes. Next, guess watercress, guess watercress. And last, small all, small all. So, children, I hope that you all have understood, and please write these all in your notebooks, copies, and please learn these all questions. That's all. Thank you.